Alrighty, so today's video is going to be, like I said, the third part of the 4.6 build, and we are going to be doing some engine dress up, so painting some stuff, and then putting the head studs in. So nothing too crazy. Waiting on the heads, should be coming in next week. Alright, we got the timing chain cover rigged up. We're going to go ahead and start spraying this. I'm going to throw primer on it first, and then I'm going to go ahead and just throw, it's like a silverish color on there. And no worries, I'm replacing this, so I'm just going to leave it on there for now. Alrighty, so that's 3 layers of paint on there. Two layers of paint. Go ahead and spray it with this. And high heat, just in case. We'll throw some clear on this, make it look a little pretty. Alright, that's the first that's the first coat, clear coat. We'll go ahead and throw probably 2 more. That'll be that. Alright, so these are the valve cover caps. These sit on top of the valve covers. Just primered them. You can't really see it because of the glare, but I just primered them, and we're going to do the valve covers black, and these are going to sit on top, and it's going to be blue. It should be like the same color of my car, so it should look pretty good. So I'll spray this all blue, and then clear coat. Alrighty, so this is the final product. Like I said, I'm not too worried about it looking perfect. This is a backyard paint job, so but it doesn't look half bad. I got this done. Now these are the head covers, the valve covers. I gotta clean them tomorrow, pull these sensors, pull that off, pull these grommets off maybe, and then I'll spray these black, and then those blue pieces will sit right on here. So it'll be black and then blue. But that's all for tonight. We'll kick it back up tomorrow. What's up, everyone? Back at it again. In the garage, of course, working on painting and making the 4.6 valve pretty. I honestly really don't care about this portion that much, but if I'm going through this hassle, I might as well just paint it and make it look pretty. But this is it so far. So the valve covers, I'm spraying this on here. Some Royal Perp, spray it on there, spray it just like so, and then I got this brass. Hold on, let me fix this here. Well, that's a brass brush on there, and it's on the drill, and then I just go at it like so, and then I wipe it down, and it's clean. So I'm gonna clean these real good because it is fairly dirty. Alright, so that's what it looks like after I hit it with the drill. Now I'm gonna hit all this real quick. Hit all this junk because that looks pretty oily, pretty nasty. And I'm gonna hit all that. Well, that side I already kind of hit, and you can kind of tell the difference. So yeah, I'll hit it real quick, and then I'm gonna throw it in the tank I got at my shop, and I'll just spray primer and call it a day. But I'm gonna finish this, finish the other one, and then I'll get back up with y'all. All right, back at it again in the garage. Got the timing chain cover. I just put the sensors in. I'm ordering new sensors, but I just put the old ones in for now. I just beat this front seal up, so I got that out. I got the new one right here. I'm gonna gently push this in without messing it up. So I don't have the right tool to hit it in, so I'm gonna just use my mallet and slowly tap her all the way in without messing it up. I'll catch out when I'm done. Got the seal in, and I got the 2 pulleys on. It's not kissed though all the way. I gotta mess with it a little bit and bring it up. I put it in from the backside in because that was the easiest way. But I don't want to mess it up hitting it with a mallet, so I gotta figure out how to move this seal up more. But that's it. Back in the garage, I'm gonna go ahead and prep to throw my ARP head studs in. Got my tap and die, but I'm gonna use this. Thread it through each hole. Go through each one, both sides, and then start to throw these bad boys in. But as you can see, we got the head studs in. Already tighten the ball with this. Hold up, here we are. You just tighten it, not too crazy, but it's kind of hard to explain, but you just kind of tighten it until you got like some decent pressure like that, and then you stop. But it's all done up. Head should be in this week actually. And what's today? Today is the 15th, so it should be in this week. If I get heads on this by next week, it'll be a good day. And the cams are coming with the heads. So the stage 2.5 turbo cams from Comp Cams. It's gonna be pretty legit, but I'm gonna end it there. Triple D, TDL Motorsports, we out.